Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about non-stock items or catalog items. That is a nice feature that we have in Business Central. That means that you can work with catalog items and just convert these items as a real item when you sell this product to your customer. Please subscribe my channel and add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any question that you may have. So go there and add your comments. So let's go to Business Central and check how we can work with catalog items. Okay, so here first thing that you need to check is how you can create these catalog items in Business Central. So let's search here. We have here the catalog items, and also we have the setup. So let's go quickly in the setup. Basically in the setup, we just select what is the format that you want to use when you create this item in Business Central. Usually we use the vendor item number. So I will keep here as vendor item number, and then we can see how to create this item in Business Central. So let's go. Here we have some examples. So I will create one item so you have idea what you need to inform in terms of data. So let's click here new. Let's just put enter. What is the vendor number? I will select the fabricant. I will add here this number as okay, I already have. So okay, we are with error in the page, so let's go back, not save, let's go new. Okay, I refresh the page, so let's keep. So here I add the vendor number and the vendor item number. Then you need to add a description for your item. So let's see that we will use like a black table, for example. What is the unit of measure that you use? What is the value of this table? Let's see, that is a really expensive table, so let's 800, but I could negotiate this value, and then my final value that I will pay for this table is 700, and here is my sales price. So let's see that I can with 1000 the gross weight, let's see, 20 kilos here. Okay, maybe so heavy, but it's okay, just an example. And one barcode. And what is the template that I will use to create this item in Business Central? Then I will convert from a catalog item to a real item. Okay, so basically this is the data that I need to input order to create the catalog item in Business Central. Now what I will do is create a sales order, add this item, and you will see that this item will be converted to a real item when you execute this action in Business Central. So, okay. Is our item. If we go to the item, you see that you cannot find this item in Business Central. Okay, so there is no item with this number. So what we will do now, so let's go to sales process. I will create a sales order. So let's add here as new. Select the customer. Then what we will do here, I will not select the item because I don't have this item my item list yet. So what I need to do is click here inline function, select a catalog item, and then I will select this item here and press OK. So you can see that this item was added to the list of items in Business Central. So here I can specify the quantity. I don't have this quantity in stock yet, but okay. You can see here that you receive a message. It's not available. Okay, I have the value. Okay, and now what happened is if I go back to my item list now, you can see that this item was converted to a real item in Business Central. So let's go first in the catalog item. So let's click here. Okay, so you can see here that now I have the item number, and this item number is basically my item in the item list in Business Central. So just to be sure, let's go here, item, and now if we search for this number, you can see here my item, black table. Okay. So basically this is what you need to do in order to work with catalog items in Business Central. Of course that you can go in the catalog items and also convert this to a real item. You don't need to wait until this item is selecting the sales order. But in terms of process, I think it makes sense that you just add this as a real item in Business Central when you really have a sales document for that. But this is something that you can consider also, that if you go to the catalog item, you can convert this to an item without wait for a sales document. So are you just open, so you have the option that you can use in any moment. So please subscribe my channel, add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you and see you next video.